Hello everyone, today's lesson is about work and power. As we said before that when a force causes an object to move, we say that this force is working. If the object does not move, we say that the force is not working. So when a weightlifter raises a barbell, he is doing work, but when he holds it in a balance over his head, there is no work because the barbells are not moving. To calculate work equals force times distance. The unit of work is joules, the unit of force is Newton, and the unit of distance is meter. This is the worksheet that I sent it for you to solve it. I will tell you now the correct answers. As we can see in the first picture, no one is moving, so the force does not cause a movement. There is no work. In the second picture, the lady can't move the rock, so there is no work because the rock is not moving. So there is force but no distance, and I told you if we don't have a distance, it means no work. In the third picture, because the dogs are moving, so there is force and distance, so there is work. In the fourth picture, the man is moving the mower, so there is work. Now, we want to talk about power. What is power? Power of a force is the amount of work that it does in a given unit of time. So power is the amount of work we are doing but in a specific period of time. We have to see the time to know the power. So power is equal work divided by time. The unit of the power it is watts, the unit of the work joules, and the unit of the time it is seconds. This is the equation of the power. Power equal work divided by time. Power, the unit of the power watts, the unit of work joules, the unit of time and seconds. Here we have another equation for the work. Work equal power multiplied by time. So as we know that work has two equations. The first one, work equal force multiplied by distance. The second one, work equal power multiplied by time. At the end, you have to solve the summary, page 138, and also you have to solve page 139, practice number 1, 3, and 6. This is not 16, this is 6. Now I want to go back to Google Classroom, and together we are going to solve the following exercises. A physical science textbook has a mass of 2.2 kg and a gravity on the earth equal to 10 Newton per kilogram. What is weight? We have to write that weight equal mass multiplied by gravity. So weight equal 2.2 multiplied by 10 equal 22 Newton. The second part of this question, it is what is the weight on Mars. So again we have to write the equation weight equal mass times gravity, but now the gravity it's on Mars, not on the Earth. So here we have different value. Okay. So the mass 2.2 multiplied by 3.7. You can use your calculator to find the answer. So I will use also my phone to see the answer. I will use the calculator. Where is the calculator? Here. So 2.2 multiplied by 3.7, we will get 8.14, and the unit is Newton. Don't forget to write the unit. The unit is so important to put it. Letter C, they ask you, what is the mass of this book in Mars? What do you think? Here, because the mass is constant and it does not change, so it is 2.2 kilogram. Mass of an object, the mass is constant. Between two brackets we can write it will not change. So mass equal 2.2 kilograms. Okay. Describe what will happen to your mass and weight when you go to the moon. For sure, our mass will not change because our mass is constant, but our weight is going to change according to the gravity. So when we go to the moon, the amount of the gravity will decrease, so our weight will decrease. Okay, I will write the answers and you will see them when you go back to Google Classroom. Find the mass of 600 Newton astronaut on Earth. Knowing that the gravity on Earth is 10 Newton per kilogram, we have to write the equation of here we have to write the equation of mass. So mass equal weight divide it by gravity. Divided by gravity. So weight equal, or not the weight, here we are talking about the mass. So mass equal weight divided by gravity. So mass equal 600 divided by 10, mass equal 60 kilogram. Okay, I will write all the answer key here on Google Classroom and you can check them later. I will also put another video about work and power from YouTube. Come in, you can also see it here. Bye.